Morning, fifth grade. Happy Wednesday. Um, we are going to do some reading today. We're going to read chapters 12 and 13. We're going to read them together if you would like to join. Our hangouts at 9 and 1 today. Don't forget to take those chapter notes. We're reading two chapters today, 12 and 13, and the nonfiction sections that come after it. And then the other thing that you can work on today is your fifth grade memory. A lot of you have been doing a great job knocking that out. Remember, it's just a short paragraph. It doesn't need to be a super long story. You're just telling us about your event, whatever event you chose, just tell us that story. It will be due a week from today. You don't have to revise, you don't have to peer at it. I would just read over it a time or two, make sure that the spelling's correct, make sure that you punctuated correctly, capitalized when you needed to, and then go ahead and turn it in. Your journal will be a good thing to work on today if you have not already. Remember, you're doing story sticks. You get to make up the different sticks, though. Pick whatever character you want, setting you want, conflict, and then one additional item. Pick something random to throw into your story and make it work. For Hangouts today, like I said, most of the time we'll be working on chapters 12 and 13. That will probably take most of the time. And then after that, if you need some help with any homework, you are welcome to log on and I can answer some questions. Y'all have been doing an awesome job. Remember, keep asking questions, keep asking for help. That's what we're here for. And don't forget, our Hangouts today on Wednesday is Wacky Wednesday for Spirit Week. So make sure that you put on something crazy, do your hair something crazy, and come to Hangout. Show us your wacky side during Hangouts. I have been forgetting to do my joke on my morning message. So I remembered today. Here's your joke. What did one volcano say to the other? If you come to Hangout, you'll find out the answer to that question. Congratulations, Kate, on winning our gift card for this week. The rest of you, make sure that your homework is getting done. There were tons of names in the drawing this week, but if yours was not, make sure you're getting all that late work done. We'll send an email either Friday night or Saturday morning about work that we're missing. So make sure to check your email and get all that work accomplished. Hope you all have an awesome Wednesday. It's been a great week so far. Bye, guys.